Cardano has bounced from the area of support that we've been talking about over the past few videos. Will Cardano manage to set a higher high and confirm a reversal, or is this just a short-term fake out waiting for some more downside? Hey guys, my name is Mesh, hope you're doing well, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the Cardano chart and analyzing this move that we just had right now, and I'm going to be explaining what we can expect to see from Cardano in the future. We're also going to be taking a look at the Bitcoin chart because Bitcoin has done something really incredible and it's clearly set a higher high, and it's setting new all-time highs basically every hour here. So we're going to be definitely looking at Bitcoin, and we're also going to be taking a look at the Cardano Bitcoin chart, which continues to get absolutely obliterated. So this is a very interesting chart to be taking a look at. So starting off on CoinMarketCap, you can see that Bitcoin is by far the king of the week, up 26% on the week. And Ethereum is also doing really well today, up 10% today and 17% on the week, getting very close to that $2,000 level. Most of the altcoins are in single digit percentages today, including Cardano up 4.71%, but are still clearly lagging behind Bitcoin and Ethereum, who are just absolutely stealing the spotlight right now. So I definitely do think that altcoins will catch up to Bitcoin and Ethereum, and this is something that we see throughout a bull run where we just have Bitcoin pump, and then the altcoins pump, and then Bitcoin pumps. You know, they keep alternating, and we've seen this throughout over and over and over again, where Bitcoin starts by making a massive move, and then altcoins usually lag behind, but sure enough, they do eventually follow. So yeah, it's really good to see Bitcoin breaking that $60,000 level. And for all of you altcoiners out there, you got to just be patient, and I'm sure the altcoins will definitely catch up to Bitcoin eventually. So firstly, taking a look at the Cardano chart, so we've gotten a bounce from this area of support that I've been talking about, basically between 97 cents and $1.07. But Cardano is not looking too strong right now. You can see it's actually fallen down nearly 9% from the high here. So if we just take the move here to where we are now, yeah, 8% from where we got up to where we are right now. So the good thing is that we are above the 21-day moving average. So the 21-day moving average is at about $1.09. However, we're not above it by much. And what I really want to see is for Cardano to get some separation from the 21-day moving average. So if we do break the 21-day EMA in the short term, then we can definitely expect to see some more downside from Cardano. But as long as we hold this level, then I do think that we actually will continue upwards. But yeah, this is a very critical level of support here, the 21-day EMA. However, I still do not think that we're going to breach this area of support here. Now, what I really want to see as just a confirmed reversal is for Cardano to set a higher high. So I really want to see it get above this level here, which is sitting at about $1.22. So until we see Cardano get above $1.22, this move doesn't mean anything. Like it's just going to be another lower high. So it's definitely not something to get excited about just yet, and it doesn't mean much. This move that we've had so far. So I really want to see Cardano get above $1.22 to start actually like celebrating, because until we see that, you know, this move doesn't mean anything. And again, the volume is stupidly low. Even this move had not very much volume backing it, so it's kind of a weak bounce to the upside. So given the volume, Cardano is still looking a little bit weak. But like I said, I do think that altcoins are going to be catching up to Bitcoin relatively soon. But as of right now, definitely nothing to get excited about just yet. This move doesn't mean a whole lot. It doesn't mean that Cardano is going to start setting higher highs and new all-time highs just yet. We definitely have to see it get above this high right here. And the Cardano Bitcoin chart just continues to get obliterated as Bitcoin is clearly outperforming Cardano by a lot. But the good thing is that we are in this area of support here between 2,000 Satoshis and 1,600 Satoshis. So a bounce from here would make a lot of sense, and that is what I'm expecting to see. I do want to see a bounce from here, and I do think that we are going to get a bounce on the Cardano Bitcoin ratio in the short term. I mean, I definitely can't see it breaking below 1,600 Satoshis, and if we do, I think it's going to be very short-lived. And you can see it's already somewhat slowing down, but we can definitely, there's definitely some more downside potentially or possibly, but yeah, I definitely want to see a bounce from here, and I think that we will get that bounce. And again, we are beneath the 21-day EMA on this chart, which is not a very good sign. And similar story on the Cardano Ethereum chart. We're literally just testing support right now. We're literally on the brink, or we're on very thin ice, both on the Bitcoin Cardano chart and the Cardano Ethereum chart, on very thin ice. So the next few days, or even the next 24 hours are pretty important, and it's going to be really interesting to see what Cardano does from these levels. We do want to see a stronger bounce than the one that we had. This is not really what we want to see as a reversal. So as we're getting very close to these areas of support, actually literally just touching it on the Ethereum chart, we do want to see a bounce relatively soon. Otherwise, Cardano could see some more downside. So these are two charts that we absolutely must be paying attention to in the short term. And it's going to be very interesting to see what happens over the next 24 hours. Taking a look at the Bitcoin chart, so we've been tracking this ascending triangle, and our price target was $61,000. You can see it broke through that, sitting at $61,400, and the next target is $65,000. We'll see how that plays out. So again, just to reiterate, Bitcoin has obviously been doing very well, and this is a very good thing, even if you're an altcoin holder, because a lot of times Bitcoin foreshadows what altcoins are going to do next. And so to see a giant move from Bitcoin is a very good thing for altcoins, because they usually follow not too long after. So I definitely think that when Bitcoin somewhat starts to slow down, we'll see a much larger move coming from the altcoins like Cardano and Polkadot, in order for them to catch up to Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are clearly stealing the show right now, which is still a very good thing, even if you're an altcoin holder. Again, Bitcoin dictates the entire health and sentiment of the market. So if you're an altcoin holder, you should be very happy that Bitcoin's exploding, because it means that the space as a whole is very strong, and that you can rely on your altcoins to catch up to Bitcoin eventually. So yeah, that's all for this video. A very short video. There's not much to talk about. We're definitely going to have to see what Cardano does in the immediate short term over the next few days. Definitely want to see a bounce here on these critical areas of support. But there's only one thing to do, which is to just watch these charts and see what happens in the next few days. If you want to see more technical analysis like this, make sure to hit subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Alright, that's all for me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.